Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of the circus. This is a name from French meaning the circus of the sun. So how do you go about pronouncing it? For reference, in French, in France, we would say it as Cirque du Soleil. Cirque meaning circus in French, du Soleil meaning sun, of the sun. It'd be fine in English to say it as Cirque du Soleil. Cirque du Soleil from French. Cirque du Soleil. Cirque du Soleil. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more French words, useful French words, whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.